Hello, this is week 2 now. Okay, so we have a short week in a way because we don't have an assignment this week. Okay, so that's great. Uh, we have 2 discussions, and they're important discussions, and so we'll just start right in. The discussion on Thursday is about society centered curriculum. Okay. And so, what you need to do is read a description of society-centered curriculum. It's on page 78 of the textbook, Curriculum Leadership. Okay, and this is actually you're assigned chapters 2 and 4 and another one this week, but this is actually in chapter 3. But it's on page 78. Okay, so if you go to chapter 2, you can, it says go to page 78. Okay, this is for the description of uh, these bases. Okay, conformists, reformers, futurists, and radicals. Okay, and read about that and decide. Okay, what description of the base do you align with? Okay, and describe the key theorist. Describe your leadership style. In the base. What's that? So this is pretty interesting discussion about this sort of issues and. So, cite at least one source. You could cite this source from the text and another source, is part of your grade. Okay, 10% of your grade actually is citing 2 sources. If you cite one source, you get 5%. Take it off. And if you don't cite any sources, you get 10% of discussions. Okay, remember discussions are 80% first initial reply, on time, and then 20% for replying, for to someone. Myself would count, or some up here. Okay, this next one is on social forces and curriculum change. And in this one, talk about curriculum change in larger forces in society. Okay, so this one, and there's a lot of stuff going on nowadays. But I want you to look at things going on and research a current legislative bill, maybe at the state or national level, that is driving changes, societal changes. Explain the bill and the societal influences that's driving the bill, and this, that sort of discussion here. Okay, it could be whatever you can find in newspaper or magazine articles, whatever. Just this is a good way to share stuff that's going on and how that affects schools and the curriculum. Okay, so have 2 sources. And so those are the 2, and that's it. Again, look ahead to chapter 3, though. As far as this idea of assignment preparation is to look ahead to chapter 3, and you're going to be doing a larger project, and it's going to be slideshow. Okay, audio. Voiceover and whatnot about creating a curriculum, cycles and stuff. Okay, you need to read about that and whatnot. And then your readings are very important. Don't just skip over these and say, "Oh, well, I don't know if I have anything." Well, no, read these. These will all help you. These 3 chapters, and you have 2 terrific sources here. Again, don't skip over these. Curriculum Frameworks, Chapter 3, and then Transforming Higher Education, Effective Strategies for Contemporary curriculum design. Okay, these are really good articles, be very useful. Okay, I put a lot of emphasis on reading the materials, and just don't, oh well, I'll just do what I can, but don't do that. Okay, so again, prepare for week 3 this week as well. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, let me know. Okay, all right. Okay, bye.